Well, thank you, Ashley. In your vote, two familiar faces want to be your next Attorney General. Incumbent Todd Rokita faces a challenge from former Secretary of State candidate Destiny Wells. Both sat down with News 8's government reporter Garrett Bergquist.
The Attorney General is the state's top legal officer. Duties include consumer protection and preventing Medicaid fraud, among other things. Rokita has involved the office in numerous lawsuits against the Biden administration over national policy issues. I asked both candidates if it's the job of the Attorney General to sue the President of the United States over policy disagreements.
Yeah, of course it is, especially when it erodes state sovereignty. Under our Constitution, the state, and that's my client, the state, I do what's in the best interest of the state, and when they're acting unconstitutionally, or when their actions are unconstitutional to a wide number of Hoosiers, like we found when we fought against them on the vaccine mandate. Remember that? They were going to use the authority of the federal government to mandate every Hoosier and every American be vaccinated, whether or not, but with an experimental drug, whether that Hoosier wanted to or not. And we fought against that, and we won because it was unconstitutional. So there are all kinds of things an administration can do, and then this one has done, that are unconstitutional, that affects our sovereignty, that hurts the people of this state. So I'll you bet I'm going to continue to fight against it.
I would argue that no, it's not always the job. Again, it's Garrett, it is not a yes or no answer. It is a case-by-case basis. I argue all the time that the Indiana Attorney General is involved in litigation that he shouldn't be, right? Climate policy in California, for example, who's best to deal with that? Neighboring states that are opposed or Indiana? Border issues, is Indiana resource to be leading the charge, or is it a Republican state like Texas? So again, it's a case-by-case basis. If the Constitution is being violated, Garrett, then yes, it is subject to litigation.
You can see much more of my interviews with both candidates this Sunday on All Indiana Politics. It airs at 9:30 in the morning, right here on Wish TV. I'm Garrett Bergquist for Wish TV, wishtv.com, or follow us on Facebook for updates.